Meaning of farmhand.
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 Farmhand. A farmhand is a person who works on a farm. They are typically responsible for performing a variety of tasks related to the day-to-day operations of the farm, such as feeding and caring for livestock, planting and harvesting crops, and maintaining equipment and facilities. Farmhands are often skilled in a range of agricultural techniques and must be able to work independently or as part of a team. In general, farmhands play an important role in ensuring that the farm runs smoothly and efficiently, and that crops and animals are well cared for and healthy.